Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the smoke text effect. The first thing you need to do is add a smoke background picture, just like the one I have on screen right now. Second thing you want to do is add the text you want to make the effect on. Now that you have your text, go down to the layer section and create a new layer and put it in between your background and the text layer. Now, what you're going to do is color the layer in full black. I did this using the brush tool. Now I'm going to select the text layer and hold shift and select the black layer as well, right click, and I'm going to convert them to smart object. Now I'm going to select the blend mode to color dodge. I'm going to select the new layer, go to filter, blur, motion blur. I'm going to set the angle to 0 and the distance to around 30 pixels. Then I'm going to go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and I'm going to set the radius to around 13. Now, for the radius on the Gaussian blur, you're going to select whatever looks good on your text. As you can see, I think that around 8 to 13 looks good on mine, but what looks good for me may not look good for you. Just play around with this until you find what works with you. I'm going to put it at 10 pixels. Now, as you can see, the text has a glowy effect, but it's still not going with the smoke. To make it distorted, I'm going to go to filter, distort. Here you can see how the results will look. This doesn't look good. What you can do is just play around with these settings or randomize it until you land on what works with you. Here, I've landed on something that I'm happy with. I'm going to press OK. Here is the effect done. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials. And if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.